What's happening, everybody? My name is Jason the Blessed Beersman. Thanks for coming by and checking out my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Mod Cabin Grooming Company. This company's been around since 2010 and they're doing awesome stuff in the men's grooming industry. Stay tuned for this review. The Mod Cabin Grooming Company was established in 2010. They're based out of Boulder County, Colorado, I believe, and they have some fantastic products. Check this out. They have products for your beard, for shaving, for your face. They have soaps. They have stuff for your body. They have stuff for your hair. They have tools. They have stickers. They have bags. They have shirts. They have a ton of stuff. And what they sent me was fantastic. They sent me a core beard kit. It runs for $45. They have a ton of different scent profiles that you can choose from. So I chose the Wild Hunt, which is a spearmint bergamot blend. And man, it's awesome. So let's dive right into what they sent me. When I received the package, it came in a box, this box here. It was inside another box for protection, but in the box they put some nice packaging in there, and I just thought that the box was really sharp, really nice box. And they sent me a business card, really nice logo, really nice business card on the back. It has all of their information. You can find them on their website at themodcabin.com, and they're on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and all over the place. So make sure that you go check them out. Of course, I'll put all of their information down in the description box below. And they also sent me this really nice decal. This is so nice, it might go on my fishing cooler, might put it on my kayak or my computer. Haven't really decided where to put that, but it's such a nice looking decal sticker. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, they sent me a core beard kit. It runs for $45 on their website. It comes with a 1 ounce oil, a 2 ounce balm, a 1 ounce mustache wax, and a soap that is 6 ounces. So really awesome stuff there. And you can buy all those things separately. They also, like I said, they also have a ton of other products. So let's dive right in to what they sent me. The first thing they sent me was their Wild Hunt. The first thing in this core beard kit is their Wild Hunt beard oil. And like I said, you can get it in whatever scent profile you like on their website. They have a ton of options. Really nice design. It says shake well before use. It gives some instructions. It kind of has a outdoor, this bottle, not all of their stuff, but this bottle kind of has like an outdoor slash a little antique type feeling to me, the way that they have it presented, which was really cool. The ingredients: argan oil, jojoba oil, and essential oil blend. So not a lot of carrier oils, but they have two of the best carrier oils that you can get. And again, the Mod Cabin, handcrafted in Boulder County, Colorado. I will say they ship, I believe they ship all over the world, and they also have a thing on their website, free priority shipping in the US on orders over $60. And then they have an international shipping of an $8.99 flat rate. And you can use a coupon right now on their website, Beach Bum, and save 20%. So really cool stuff there. So let's take a look at what the oil. It says to shake well, so shake it well, which is a good practice whenever you use oil. It's the reducer limiter top, which is cool. So what you do is you turn it upside down. It doesn't come out. You have to hit the bottom of it, and it'll kind of send a drop at a time. It's a light yellow color, and I would say it's a medium weight oil, and it smells great. What's going to happen is you're going to get that spearmint right away, and then over the course of time, it's going that you use it in the day, it's going to warm into the bergamot scent, and I really like it. It's really, really nice. The second you put it in, it makes your beard feel really soft. It absorbs really nicely. Really awesome beard oil. It's going to condition, it's going to moisturize, it's going to make it feel soft, it's going to take care of the skin underneath your beard, it's going to take care of your hair, it's going to relieve that itch, it's going to relieve that and take away that beard dandruff. Really awesome stuff there. Then they sent me their Wild Hunt Beard Balm. It's all natural, and it's a 2-ounce tin, screw-off tin, which is really nice. On the back, let's see, has some instructions, has the ingredients: shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, and it's certified organic. I believe it has some the essential oil blend, and really awesome stuff there. It says on here, our beard balm and conditioner is an all-natural pomade that instantly makes your beard appear thicker and keeps it moisturized throughout the day. It also provides a light hold and prevents itchy, flaky skin. So really awesome stuff there. It's a little bit of a different consistency than anything I've experienced when it comes to beard balms, and I'll show that to you in a second. So it's a light yellow color. It's soft. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. You don't need your fingernail. It just scoops right out. It doesn't emulsify into like a clear. I guess it does emulsify clear, but you can definitely feel it. It's smooth. It's really, really smooth. It's not like, and it's soft. It doesn't like liquefy into more of an oil. But it's so smooth. It's such an awesome beard balm. You can see it emulsifies nice, and it goes right in, and it's going to do everything that they said that it's going to do. Now, just like they advertised, it is a light hold. But what I do, obviously, I don't need a lot of mustache wax on my mustache right now. When it was longer, their mustache wax works awesome. But because I trimmed it, I don't really need a lot of that mustache wax. So what I could do, because it's a light hold, is take the mustache wax and add it into the beard balm, and then you have a thicker hold on your beard balm. So that's what the mustache wax looks like. It's a little more yellow. It's definitely a lot firmer. You definitely need your nail to get it out. It's a 1 ounce. The front of it looks like that. Okay. On the back, looks like that, has the ingredients and instructions and that sort of thing. It says they're all natural, firm wax is perfect for creating handlebar style stashes or just keeping whiskers out of your mouth. And it gives some, like I said, instructions. The ingredients: beeswax, lanolin, and the essential oil blend. It's 1 ounce, handcrafted in Boulder, Colorado. So you can either use it on your mustache or do like what I did. I actually mixed the two together, and it gave me a little bit more firm of a hold on my beard, since I don't really need much on my mustache. So really awesome stuff. This one here is a non-scented version of their their mustache wax, excuse me. You get a little bit probably of that beeswax, lanolin smell, which is nice. So that is their mustache wax. And the last thing that's in this core beard kit is the Wild Hunt soap. Comes in a box like this, really nice presentation. It's just a standard rectangular shaped block of soap, 6 ounces. It says on here, the Mod Cabin's All Natural Wild Soap is a gentle moisturizing soap that can be used all over. Has an invigorating aroma with notes of spearmint and bergamot. Great for skin and hair. It's perfect for washing bodacious beards and provides excellent slip for a close shave. Made with natural plant extracts and hot processed the old-fashioned way. The ingredients: saponified, I don't know if I'm saying that right, saponified, however you say it, olive oil, coconut oil, castor bean oil, and essential oil blend. It's hot processed, to extend the life of your soap. Store on a well-drained soap dish in a dry location. I love the soap. It has that same great scent that of the Wild Hunt, the spearmint and the bergamot blend. It lathers really nice. It really works well in the beard. It lathers in the beard. It washes out really nice. You feel your beard nice and clean when you're done, but it doesn't make it like super dry, which is awesome. I can't say enough about these products. They're definitely some of my favorite that I've used to this point in my bearding journey. So really awesome stuff. You need to check out the Mod Beard Cabin Grooming Company. And like I said, you can buy these products on their own, or you can buy them in a kit. They have different kits. They have tons of products. So definitely check them out, themodcabin.com. And I'll put a link to their website. I'll put a link to their social media. They have a YouTube page and all that stuff. So make sure you check them out. Really awesome stuff, guys. Thank you again for sending them to me. I really appreciate your generosity and your kindness to me. I really enjoy these products. And so if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave me a comment or question about this video or anything else beard related, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. I hope you have an outstanding day and a phenomenal week, and until we see you on the next one, stay blessed, stay bearded. Bye-bye.